Cybersecurity have been a main focus for the past decade, and research has shown 1 in 4 people who use public Wi-Fi experience some sort of security issue or data breach. And what's more, studies have also shown that nearly 40% of adults have had their private data stolen when using public Wi-Fi at restaurants, hotels and cafes. So how do you protect yourself? Well, we've teamed up with NordVPN to give all our viewers a massive 74% discount plus an Amazon gift card as a bonus. All you need to do is buy the NordVPN 2-year plan to activate the discount. NordVPN offers advanced browser protection, including ad blocker and fraud alert. Enjoy worry-free browsing with protection against malicious websites and phishing attempts. We use NordVPN daily to protect ourselves against hackers, malware, hijack attempts and scammers, especially when using public Wi-Fi at hotels, cafes and restaurants. It works on any device, and with one account you can connect up to 10 devices including your PCs, laptops and mobile phones. Get the offer right now by visiting funkykit.com/NordVPN or scan the QR code. For more information, click on the links below. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to visit our website at funkykit.com for more news, reviews and hot tips.